welcome here. In this video I'll show you how to get Audacity installed on your Windows 10 PC. In a previous video I already showed you where to grab the installation files. If you're not sure where to grab those, you can click on the link up above. To get started, first thing we'll do is we'll install Audacity. First thing I'll do is get the screen recorder on so you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go, timer's clicking, 3, 2. Alright, so here's my Audacity. Double click that to get it going. And just follow the prompts kind of through. It shouldn't take long and it'll get itself installed. Perfect. And there it is. Now we notice right away we get this FFmpeg startup fail. We're aware of this. So we can close Audacity, make sure it's closed when you're running the other two installers. And it doesn't matter which order that you run either of these in, we just have to get them installed. This is the lane for MP3. And the FFmpeg. Whole lot of next, and install and finish. That's the way I like to run my Windows PC. Alright, once we got that done, let's launch Audacity and let's see if we've got everything going. No errors right off the bat, that's great. Open up a video file. We see the FFmpeg import is happening, so that's already a great sign. And there we go, there's our audio. And just as a test, if we want, we can export. Go File, Export, Selected Audio. And if you're uploading to YouTube like I am, that's my default format. And we'll just save that to the desktop as I can delete it right away. Looks like that worked, and let's test it out. And we got audio. Fantastic. Your Audacity is now all installed and ready to use. If you like the video you see here today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a subscribe to let YouTube know you like what you found. If not, a thumbs it down. Give me one of those.